you ever wished for a space where your ideas could flow freely? No limits, no clutter, just pure creativity. Imagine brainstorming with your team, planning lessons with your students, or organizing your thoughts, all in one infinite digital space. Well, guess what? That space already exists, and it's called Canva Whiteboard. Today, I'll show you how this powerful feature inside Canva can transform the way you plan, teach, collaborate, and create. So, let's start. To start using the Canva Whiteboard, you can download Canva from your Play Store and use as an app. Well, you can also use Canva as a website. Just go to your browser and search Canva, and then go to your homepage like this one. So with this one, or in the homepage of Canva, we can see presentation, social media, video, print, docs, whiteboard, sheet, website, and email. Or we can see here a lot of features of Canva. But for now, we will be focusing on the whiteboard as a feature of Canva. So just click whiteboard, and then it will show you this one, an infinite canvas. So with this one, you can customize it. You can zoom in and zoom out using your mouse or trackpad, and you can also click and drag to move around the board freely. There are no page limits, making it perfect for large brainstorming sessions. So, for example, you want to add text. Just click this one and you can add text. For example, you're making it for you are using it with your team for a group project. So let's say we'll put group project brainstorming. That way, like that. And you can also customize the text as much as you want, and you can just drag it wherever you want in here. And you can also type here what are the things you need to do. For example, you want to add what are the tasks for each person, and you can just do it. And for example, you're gonna assign a task for everyone and just put it here, and also add the task to the canvas rather. So you can also use sticky notes in Canva Whiteboard. Just click on elements and search for sticky notes. Sticky notes here. Well, there are a variety of choices here that you can use. For example, you want to use this one, just click this one and you can drag it to where you want it to be positioned. And You can add multiple notes and type different ideas. Like I said, if you want to assign tasks for your team members, you can just type the tasks of each person. And you can drag and rearrange them to organize thoughts. You can also draw and sketch here. Just click on the draw tool. Well, we can see here wait a sec. Here we can draw, we can select shape, we can also add shapes, lines, sticky notes, text, and tables here. So if, for example, you want to draw, just click this one and you can choose markers. For example, this one. And for example, you want to sketch something or you want to write, you can also use this one. Like that. So you can also use this to circle ideas, draw arrows, or sketch diagram. For example, you want to emphasize the task for each person, just circle it out for emphasis. And we can also insert images, icons, or charts. We can click on the elements again and we can search for icons and images here. And we can drag them onto the board. You may also upload your own files to enhance your whiteboard. For example, you want the images from your files, you can just upload it. Well, for real-time collaborations, we can also click the share button and enter email address or copy the link. Collaborators can edit at the same time. That's how we collaborate here real time. So we can also convert your whiteboard into a presentation. Just click present. You can turn your ideas into slide, present directly from CANVA. Well, in the whiteboard, you can customize it the way you want. For example, so you have a group project brainstorming and you want to assign the task for each person. You can just add text box here. You can add headings. Well, there are a lot of elements also that you can use. And for the tools, there are also sticky notes here, not just on the elements. And you can add text. For example, you want to give tasks for your team member. So task, like for example, make the introduction of our research, and that's for, and you can drag it wherever you want. And if you want to add another, you can just add here. For example, they want to your team want to add their task, they can also edit just like what you are doing. And that's for the features of CANVA whiteboard. Well, it allows groups or class to collaborate real time in here by Just adding text, elements, notes, and customizing this whiteboard. So that's all. So remember, every great idea starts with a single thought. With Canva Whiteboard, you don't just collect ideas. You grow them, shape them, and turn them into something powerful. Start brainstorming, start collaborating, start creating without limits because your ideas deserve more than just space. They deserve a canvas. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.